Gaston County Emergency Management just called for a voluntary evacuation for parts of the towns of Cramerton, Lowell, and McAdenville ahead of flooding along the South Fork River.
Yes, in fact, police in Cramerton and Lowell are going door to door to let people know about the danger out there. Meteorologist John Aarons is live for us right now in Cramerton with an update. John?
Yeah, we're at 8th Avenue near the fire department, Erica, and I just spoke with town manager David Pugh, who says they don't want anybody around here for the rest of the night tonight. Sometimes people will come down here for social media to take pictures of the rapidly rising water. Do not do that now. I've been covering storms here for about over 10 years, and usually I can get down into the dock maybe 3 or 4 steps. Can't do that now. The water's moved past that, and it's now threatening the fire department. Already over at the Cramerton Drug, that parking lot's starting to get covered, and cars are starting to move. I was talking with emergency managers. It's possible that the water could get higher than it's been since 2003. Now, nearby in Belmont, we went around, we saw some yards that are water covered, found residents just trying to rush to clean up as much of their storm drains as they could because that water is moving close to their home.
It's coming down so hard the drains can't handle it, so about to start throwing a spinnerbait in the front yard, I reckon.
And it's not over yet. Of course, flooding claims most of the lives at night because you can't see this water inching up. And Steve, I'll send it to you. We still have a ton of rain that came from Hickory. That has to come down the Catawba system right to where I'm at.